Spelling and grammar. Have you observed that after typing text in Word 2016, some words have a red or blue wavy line under them? These lines indicate that you have made a spelling or grammar mistake. The red wavy line shows that a word has been spelled incorrectly, whereas the two blue lines show grammatical mistakes. This sentence has shown spelling and grammar errors. In Word, you can easily correct these mistakes by using the Spelling and Grammar tool. You can check spelling and grammar mistakes in a document or only in selected parts of the document. Commonly, it is called spell check. To spell check a document, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Review tab. Step 2. Select Spelling and Grammar tool in Proofing group. The first incorrectly spelled word after the position of your cursor gets highlighted. A spelling pane opens on the right side of the window. You can do the following functions. The best 3 options which match with the incorrect word appear in the suggestion box. Do one of the following actions. Double-click the word with the correct spelling in the suggestion box. The incorrect word is replaced with the correct word. Or click on Change All. Click on Ignore Once. If you click Ignore All, spell check will ignore all the occurrences of the word in the document. You can add them to the dictionary by clicking Add to Dictionary option. When the entire document has been checked for spelling and grammar, a message appears. Spelling and grammar check is complete. Step 3. Click on OK. Or you can right-click on the incorrect word. The context menu displays spelling suggestions. Click on the desired option. To check for grammar mistakes, right-click on the word or words with 2 blue lines. The context menu shows the grammar suggestions. Click the desired option. Thesaurus. Thesaurus is a collection of words with their synonyms. In Word, Thesaurus tool gives us a list of synonyms for a selected word. To use Thesaurus tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the word. Step 2. Click on Review tab. Step 3. Click on the Thesaurus tool under Proofing group. The Thesaurus pane opens on the left side of the window. It displays a list of synonyms for the selected word. Step 4. Click the down arrow and select Insert or Copy. Find and replace text. In Word, we use Find command to search for a word or words in a document. The Replace command replaces a specific word or text in a document. Find text. To find a word in a document, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Click on Find tool in Editing group. A navigation pane appears on the left side of the window. Step 3. Type the word or words that you want to search in the text box. Word highlights all the occurrences of the word in the document. A preview of all the sentences or sections of text which contain the selected word or words appears under Results in the navigation pane. Step 4. Click on the results to go to that search item in the document. Replace text. To find a specific word or words in a document and replace it with other word or words, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Click on Replace tool in Editing group. A Find and Replace dialog box opens. The Replace tab is selected by default. Step 3. Type the word or words to be searched and replaced in the Find What box. Step 4. Type the word or words to replace it with in the Replace With box. Step 5. Click on Find Next button. Word searches for the word or text. If the word is in the text, it gets highlighted. You can replace the word or words by clicking on Replace button or Replace All button. Repeat the above steps till all the words have been replaced in the document. A message box appears showing that words are replaced and asking whether you want to search more or not. Step 6. Click Yes if you want to search more and No if you don't want to search. Step 7. Click on Close button to close the Find and Replace dialog box. Page formatting. Page formatting is the arrangement of the layout and all the elements of a page so that it looks appealing to the reader. The page formatting options are available in the Layout tab in Word 2016. There are many page formatting tools. Let us learn about some of them. Changing page orientation. You must have got your photograph clicked for the school ID card and a class photograph at the end of each class. How are they different? Your photograph is short at the top and bottom but has longer sides. On the other hand, the class photo is shorter on the sides but has longer top and bottom. The orientation of your photo is portrait and your class photo is landscape. Orientation of a paper means the direction in which the text or image appears on a page. Word has two types of page orientations, landscape and portrait. Portrait is the default orientation in Word. To understand the difference between the two orientations, see the given pictures. You can change the orientation of the entire document by one command. To do so, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Layout tab. Step 2. Click on Orientation command in Page Setup group. Step 3. Choose Portrait or Landscape from the drop-down menu. Setting paper size. Paper size is the actual length and width of the paper in centimeter. You need different paper sizes for different types of documents. The default paper size in Word is Portrait. To change the paper size, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Layout tab. Step 2. Click on Size command in Page Setup group. Step 3. Select a paper size you want for your document. The standard paper size is A4. Inserting a page break. Inserting a page break means instructing Word to end a page at a certain point which is different from the current paper size of the document. To insert a page break in your document, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click where you want to insert the page break. Step 2. Click on Layout tab. Step 3. Click on Page Breaks command in Page Setup group. Step 4. Select the option Page. A page break will be inserted in your document. Column formatting. You must have seen a newspaper or your school magazine. How does the text appear in each article? In newspapers, magazines, and in some of the books, the text is the layout in 2 or more columns. Word has the option to lay out some text or the entire document in columns. To lay out the text in columns, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text to lay out in columns. Step 2. Click on Layout tab. Step 3. Click on Columns command in Page Setup group. Step 4. Select the number of columns from the drop-down menu. The selected text is layout in columns. Paragraph formatting. Paragraph formatting is used to change the appearance of paragraphs. In paragraph formatting, you can make changes such as lines and paragraph spacing, alignment, etc. Line spacing. Line spacing means the amount of vertical space between the lines of text. You can have single, double, 1.5, multiple, line spacing, etc. To change line spacing for a single paragraph, follow the given steps. Step 1. Place the cursor anywhere in the text without selecting it. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. Click on Line and Paragraph Spacing tool in Paragraph group. Step 4. Hover your mouse pointer on the various line spacing options. The paragraph will show the preview of the line spacing. Choose the line spacing you want. Paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing means the amount of vertical space between paragraphs. The spacing between paragraphs is measured in points. To change paragraph spacing, follow the given steps. Step 1. Place the cursor in the paragraph. If you want to change the spacing in several paragraphs, select them. Step 2. Click on Layout tab. Step 3. Click on the before and after spin boxes under Spacing in Paragraph group. Step 4. Click on the arrows in the spin boxes below Spacing to choose the required spacing. Mail merge. The Mail Merge feature in Word provides you with a tool to create and send multiple letters and invitations to many people at the same time. Each letter or invite is addressed to different people but has the same text. The main steps of Mail Merge are: 1. Create the main document. The main document has the body of the letter or invitation that has to be sent. The document contains merge fields. They are the places where data is inserted from the data source. 2. Create the data source. The data source contains the details of all the people to whom the letters will be sent. It can have the name, address, telephone numbers, email address, etc. These details are inserted in the main document. 3. Merged document. It combines both the documents. Creating the main document. You are inviting your friends, teachers and relatives for a charity cultural program. You have to send out invitations to everyone. To create the main document, follow the given steps. Step 1. Type the invitation letter in Word. Step 2. Click on Mailings tab. Step 3. Click on Start Mail Merge in Start Mail Merge group. A drop-down menu appears. Step 4. Select letters from the menu. Creating a data source. In this step, you have to select the recipients of your invitation. To do so, follow the given steps. 1. Click on Mailings tab. Step 2. Select recipients from the Start Mail Merge group. Step 3. Select Type a new list from the drop-down menu. A new address list box appears. Step 4. Add the details of the recipients. If you want to add another, select New Entry, or want to delete, select Delete Entry. Step 5. After entering the details, click OK button. A Save Address List box appears, where you can save your address list for future use. Step 6. In File Name box, type the name of the list to save. Step 7. Click on the Save button. You will observe that Address block appears in your document. You can also edit the list of contacts you have entered from the option Edit Recipient List from Start Mail Merge group. A box appears to edit and select contacts. You can insert options and write these blocks using the options from Write and Insert Fields group in Mailings tab. Merging the main document and data source. After doing all the editing, you have to merge the main document and data source. To do so, Follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Mailings tab. Step 2. Click on Finish and Merge command in the Finish group. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 3. Select Edit individual documents from the drop-down menu. A message box will appear asking Merge records, All, Current record and From, To options. Step 4. Select the All button. Step 5. Click OK button. A new document opens up in a new window with the merged invitation.